Alright you guys, so we're going to be putting the fan and the clutch together. This is obviously going to be the clutch that we use and stuff like that. I will have it in the link in the description down below. Here's the fan. Again, this is off of the Ford ones, so that's also going to be in the link down there. And then these are the size bolts you're going to need. So the M6 does 1 point, and then 12 millimeter. This is from AutoZone, the ones I got. I think it was like $4 or whatever. I'll put this link down there as well. You can get any of the grade 8 ones or whatever, they'll work well. And obviously you want some red Loctite for it. So pretty much it's very simple. Go like this, take this side, lay it down. You're gonna want to line up those threads. So line up obviously the hole with the thread. Take our bolts. They should just, yeah, they'll just thread in automatically. These ones fit. This one fits perfect. So take a little bit of that red lock. Make sure you're doing a cross pattern at least when you tighten in stuff, and then look up the spec to tighten the spec if you want to. Don't make it too tight because there is obviously, like, it is just metal on aluminum and stuff, so you don't want to go too tight. Alright you guys, so you can get yourself a 10 millimeter ratchet and you can pretty much tighten it up. Again, doing it in a somewhat cross pattern. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. So that'll be the side that shows pretty much, and then you bolt that side in. So that's the side where you do the 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. So again, those are 10 mils, and then yeah, we'll go to throwing that into the Jeep now. Alright you guys, so we got the fan here all Loctited with those bolts and whatnot, and then here we got the 36 millimeter wrench, and then the fan clutch pretty much holder and stuff like that. So this was only 20 bucks on Amazon. I'll throw the link down below so then you guys can figure it and see if you want to do it and stuff. You can rent it from AutoZone if you need that day, but if you get Amazon Prime, it came next day or whatever, and I'll let you guys know how it is and stuff. So it's a 36 millimeter. When we come over here, you'll see on the fan clutch, it'll be this bolt right here. We're pretty much taking off and stuff. You will need someone to tighten it, so I'm going to be loosening this, and then I might record me doing the final tightening or not. I don't know, because I'll need my dad to help me later on today. So start taking it out, figuring out how I can get this old fan out and how I can get the new one in. So I'll get to you guys soon. Alright you guys, so when I was looking at it, I think underneath here would be the best because it is open right here. The fan shroud's open, so I should be able to slide it in kind of right here, right in between the pulley and stuff. I think it will fit. So I'm going to unbolt that and then try to slide it down pretty much and see how that does. So I'll kind of get you guys, I'll show you I guess loosening it from hopefully an angle, and then again, it's that one bolt right there. Loosen that one, drop it down, and we'll put the new one up in there. Alright you guys, what I would say is that yes, the wrench will work and stuff like that, but this tool here isn't the right length. So for taking off the fan clutch, I would say go to AutoZone, rent out the nice $80 one they have. Now luckily for me, I have a brand new AutoZone, and this one is actually brand new because the AutoZone just got put in. So I think it's like $85 to rent, and then when you return it, they say you'll get your money back and stuff. So I'll put this link down as well. It's $80 plus tax, so it's like $85.60 or something like that. So definitely gonna be a lot easier to use. Again, this, you can see how you can just fully adjust it the whole way and everything. So get whatever adjustment you need. So gonna show you guys how to use it and stuff like that. Alright you guys, so we used a little bit of PB blaster as you guys can see, and now it's finally free spinning so we can take it out. Again, just make sure, I looked at Harbor Freight thing, no, it's not Harbor Freight, AutoZone part, I put it right here, it kind of held onto it, and then I was able to hammer it in. So maybe buy your own wrench, you don't ruin someone else's and stuff, but otherwise the other thing kept nice. And now it's finally loose so we can take it out and then start installing the new one. So I'm going to finish up loosening this, and I'll probably grab it at the bottom, so I'll set up the camera so I can show you guys that, okay? Alright you guys, so now we're on the bottom part here. Now hopefully this will just slide out. Alright you guys, so what I found is, right, this thing, it almost looks like a little person, right? 2 feet, 2 legs, and a head, right? If you pull it down feet first, that it helps it out a little bit easier. So if you do like on this part, the feet are at the bottom, you pull it out. I'll have some video of me struggling and not doing too well. But when you look in here, if you bring the feet right about, so when you look here and stuff, you'll mess up the plastic a little bit, but then right here on this hose, you gotta be careful, and then they'll catch on these 2 bolts pretty much, but you just keep jamming it. It's gonna obviously rub a little bit here with the bolt, and it should just come out. Now getting the new one in, we'll see how that goes, or hope it's a little thinner or something. But for this one, in that sense, it caught on those 2, and I was able to slide it out. So now we just gotta get that new one in there. So I'll catch you guys when I start doing that. Alright you guys, so we're gonna be comparing the 2 real quick. Pretty much the difference here, again, both got the brand new, this one's got a new clutch and stuff like that. Biggest thing is, again, 12 blades versus only that 5, that little person design they have and stuff. So a lot more airflow should be coming through this one, again, with the new clutch and everything. Should be all a lot better and everything. This is, again, the one for the Ford. Again, I'll have it linked. This is only for the 4.7, so if you have a 4.0, I'll see if I can find something. Otherwise, I would just say if you have a 4.7, go with it 4.0. I'm sure there's other videos that you can find and stuff like that. I know most of them just run off of an electric fan. So my electric fan also has a problem, or it's not turning on and stuff, so I do want to do the manual switch, but I think my fan is shot. So that's a whole nother day and stuff like that. I'm just trying to get this working so that then the temp of my car at least comes down a decent amount. So gonna try to throw this one up in there, and I'll let you guys know how I get it up in there and try to record it maybe and stuff like that. Alright you guys, so finally got that fan in, you guys saw and stuff. I know I said do it from underneath because I saw some other people do it online and videos and stuff like that, but for me personally, I was trying to do it with the screwdriver and everything. You'll see me struggle. I'll probably post a struggle because in case you guys want to try it that way, but for me honestly it's very simple. I took off 2 of the 10 mil bolts. There's gonna be one right here, also my bracket for my aux beam we made and stuff, and there's another one here. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but with a wobble head and like a few different ways you can easily get it out and stuff, and that makes it just loose enough to where you can kind of, you'll see in the video me wiggle it in and stuff like that. And then yeah, I did that and stuff. So now, and you hear it grinding, so it's because that pushed back. Once it's pushed back, it won't do that. Now it will scratch this fan a little bit. Again, if you're off-roading with your Jeep and stuff, that's the least of your concerns. That thing's gonna be probably all muddy the second you go and take it out, right? So pretty much, yeah, we got it in. Again, the only thing I got to do is just tighten it up and stuff. I probably won't record that because I'll need my dad wait till he comes home, and then he can help me so we can get it really tight and stuff. But yeah, again, old one's out, new one's in. I'll make a video again on like showing you like the difference and stuff. I hope I recorded it before, otherwise I'm sure you guys obviously know what your Jeep looks like, and I can show you the comparison after. Mine was actually very slow, like the clutch was going slow and stuff. My girlfriend's uncle actually is like a mechanic and stuff and said, yeah, you should replace at least the clutch. I figured while I'm at it, might as well put the nicer Dorman fan in. So did both of those, and then again, I'm going to be doing an electric fan hopefully soon. I don't know the order of the videos and stuff like that because I know it takes time to edit these, but electric fan will be coming as well. I'm going to put it hopefully to the aux beam. I kind of have the plug here and stuff, but I think my electric fan is shot, so I'm going to need a new one. Might go to the junkyard, might order a new one. I don't know, but I do want to hook up to the aux beam so I can just put it where I have my mounted up there. So yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at, guys. Again, I'm not going to show you guys putting them back on, but again, there's one bolt here and one there, and then again, I'll just show you guys probably the after of the car. So alright you guys, so it's been a little bit, but I forgot to record the fan actually working. So I've had it now a couple months now, and it's been working great, so I figured I'd show you guys pretty much, you
know, it blows crazy and hot. I don't know if you guys can hear me well, but I mean, for reference, like here's a leaf. You're like fantastic and everything. It's hard to show. It actually sometimes gets my electric fan going, funny enough, but I still haven't fixed that. Please guys, let me know in the comments down below if you guys know how to make the electric fan work. I don't know if I need a relay or something. I thought the aux beam one built in would be enough, because I tried hooking it up to my aux beam and I got nothing. And my aux beam obviously works for my light bar, my rock lights and other stuff, so I've wired that up before. So yeah, let me guys know if you guys know how to fix the electric fan. But since then, we'll see if my car's warmed up enough yet. But yeah, it's not, but she barely gets over by 210, pretty much is at like 205, 210 pretty much the whole time. So honestly, you don't even need the electric fan because I haven't been running one technically, it just sits there. But like if you look here, I don't know if you can see on camera, but it did actually kick on the electric fan, like not kick it on, but it starts it moving. So figured I'd show you guys what it looks like and stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much gonna be the end of it. So if you guys want a sneak peek, this is what the Jeep's been looking like. This is literally the day of it being posted. It's about an hour before I was gonna post it. I forgot to record, but sick a little bit. So this is the update on what she looks like, a sneak peek. So definitely a bunch of videos here to come. Hopefully gonna do something on the roof rack, possibly making a little bit of like a modification roof rack, make it a little bit stronger and stuff. Don't know and everything, but yeah, definitely more to come. Hopefully getting some rock sliders and stuff like that coming soon. Obviously you guys can see I painted the fenders. Obviously you see the fenders trimmed. If you go on my Instagram, you'll see that more often. So yeah, definitely a lot of new stuff to come. And yeah, can't wait to show you guys more. See ya.